My name is Torbjörn Gulz and I am from the Royal College of Music in Stockholm. Together with Holzapfel, I will introduce research concerning Accelerando and Ritardando playing jazz. One of the more well-known accelerandos in jazz history is during Herbie Hancock's solo in the Miles Davies group. This present study aims to gain insights in synchronization for Accelerando and Ritardando compared to playing in a constant tempo. We have been studying 3 bass players and 1 drummer. The music was 5 chords of a 12-bar blues and the drummer listened to a click track with Accelerando and Ritardando. The note downsets were annotated and compared. The results show a positive time difference during the Accelerando and a negative during the Ritardando. While playing at a constant tempo, the discrepancies also decreased compared to Accelerando and Ritardando. It is also clear that the musicians are better at following the click at Accelerando than in Ritardando.